The Himalayas are warming. As glaciers retreat, glacial lakes are rapidly expanding. These lakes can suddenly burst, causing glacial lake outburst floods, GLUFs. Studies by IIT Roorkee and monitoring by the Central Water Commission show that this risk is rising across the Indian Himalayas. This is a slow-building climate hazard, not sudden, Himalayan tsunamis. Calling these events Himalayan tsunamis is misleading. The real story is slower, but more dangerous. Glacial lakes are expanding, and risks are rising. Glacial systems are dynamic and nonlinear. Even good models struggle because temperature, moisture, debris cover, terrain, and sudden triggers interact unpredictably. The key point: unplanned roads, hydropower projects, and construction amplify damage once a natural event occurs. That's why recent cloudbursts and flash floods in Himachal, 2023-25, hit so hard. India has many sensitive glacial lakes: Chandratal in Himachal, multiple high-altitude lakes in Ladakh, and numerous lakes in Sikkim and Arunachal, many sitting upstream of roads, hydropower, and strategic infrastructure. Roorkee researchers argue automated monitoring can routinely update lake inventories and strengthen early warning inputs, especially for new urban settlements near highways and power projects downstream. Professor Saurabh Vijay sums it up: consistent, large-scale monitoring is essential for risk assessment and long-term planning in mountain regions. Central Water Commission flagged 432 glacial lakes for vigorous monitoring in June 2025. It also reports total glacial lake area in India increased about 30.83% since 2011. State-wise, the highest expanding lakes are in Arunachal, followed by Ladakh, then Jammu and Kashmir and Sikkim. Even if numbers are smaller in Himachal and Uttarakhand, the exposure can be high where infrastructure sits downstream. Satellites give sharper eyes, but without cautious development and strict environmental regulation, warnings may come too late. As Himalayas warm, glaciers retreat, lakes expand, and GLOF risk rises. UPSC angle: disaster risk reduction, Himalayan ecology, climate adaptation, and sustainable infrastructure.